Welcome to our segment on healing naturally with Everyday Superfoods. Today, we'll explore 7 amazing superfoods that offer relief for acid reflux. First up, bananas. Their low acidity coats the stomach lining and provides soothing potassium. Try eating them 30 minutes before breakfast or blend them into a calming smoothie. Remember, start your day gently. Let the softness of bananas remind you to offer kindness to your own body. Next, ginger. This powerful rhizome is anti-inflammatory and aids digestion, reducing nausea and relaxing the gut. Grate fresh ginger for tea or chew a small slice after meals. Ginger teaches boldness. Let your healing begin with courage and trust. Moving on to oats. They soak up excess acid, rich in fiber, and stabilize digestion. Cook plain oatmeal with almond milk, topped with banana and cinnamon. Oats ground us in the moment. Nourish yourself slowly and be present with every bite. Now, aloe vera. It cools the stomach lining and reduces acid production. Drink food-grade aloe vera juice in small amounts before meals. Its cooling nature is a reminder to soothe both body and emotions during times of heat and conflict. Introducing Moringa. Packed with antioxidants, it supports gut health and neutralizes acidity. Mix Moringa powder into water, tea, or smoothies. Think of Moringa's strength as divine support. Faith can nourish even when unseen. Fennel is next. It relieves bloating, improves digestion, and calms the stomach. Chew fennel seeds or steep them in tea after meals. Infuse your preparation with a prayer or intention, inviting peace into digestion. Lastly, turmeric. A golden healer, it reduces inflammation and supports gut lining repair. Stir into warm water with black pepper or enjoy in golden milk. Use turmeric as a symbol of light overcoming pain. Let's close with this thought. Healing is a journey. Every small step with nature brings you closer to balance. I invite you to try one superfood this week and share your experience in the comments. If this helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's grow in wellness together, one healing choice at a time.